Hey superstars! Welcome to EasyPeasy Learning. Today we're going to learn about something super exciting. It's called creative writing. Do you love telling stories? Have you ever made up a silly tale in your head? Maybe about a princess who lives in a castle made of brownies. Or some dancing fruits. Then guess what? You're a creative writer. What is creative writing?
Easy peasy learning.
Creative writing is when you use your imagination to write a story, a poem, or anything fun with words. You don't need to write big serious essays. Just use your ideas to tell stories that make people smile, think, or even laugh. Writing stories can help you become a better thinker, express your feelings, and even become a superhero in your own world. Now, guess what? You can write about anything, be it robots, dragons, best friends, school, or even a donut with superpowers.
Yippee!
It's not about getting everything right. It's about having fun with words. Let's listen to this short poem written by 5-year-old Zara.
Roses are red, my pen is blue. I love to write, and so can you.
You can create a really fun and interesting story just by starting with these few things. Number 1 is your plot. Your plot is your story plan. They are what will happen in your story. Number 2 is your setting. This is where your story takes place. Did your story take place in a large kingdom or in a busy city? Number 3 is your characters. These are the people, objects, or animals in your story. Once you're able to write this down, you would use your imagination to bring it to life. It's that simple and it's loads of fun. Now I'm going to read another short story written by 8-year-old Brian.
My neighbor owns a goat, not just any goat. This one eats anything and everything, from nylon bags to yam peelings. Even my sister's slippers once vanished when this goat came visiting. One sunny afternoon, the goat somehow wandered into our backyard. My dad had just placed an old foam mattress there, waiting to be trashed. But guess what? The goat started munching it like it was for puff. Hey, go away! I shouted, flapping my hands like a scarecrow. It ran off, but came right back, more determined than ever, chomping and chewing like it was eating a birthday cake. Frustrated, I picked up the stick, not to beat it all, just to scare it away. But as I stepped forward, stick in hand, the goat paused, turned slowly, and I kid you not, it spoke. If you touch me, I will report you to my owner, it said, blinking like a serious human being. My mouth hung open, and God that talks. I didn't want to ask questions. I ran into the house and slammed the door. From my sitting room window, I watched the goat happily eating what was left of the mattress like it had just won a battle. I guess some goats really need to have the last word.
Funny, isn't it? You too can do it. Just pick one fun idea, think of a character and a setting, and that is it. Now, guess what? I've created a free creative writing starter pack just for you to help you begin. It's super easy. The free pack includes story ideas, worksheets, and even silly prompts to get your brain buzzing. Ask an adult to help you download it using the link in the description. And if you write something awesome, I'd love to hear about it. Just send it to our email address, it's written on the screen. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other fun learning videos and skits that will make you laugh and laugh and laugh. Until next time, keep imagining, keep writing, and always stay awesome. Bye.